Good morning! Happy Sunday. It is a beautiful glassy day here in Hawaii. About to go for a surf. It's kind of small. That should be fun. Ooh, a little brisk. Oh, but it's so glassy. Just look at that. I somehow managed to figure out a quick capture. I didn't know that they had this feature on the Insta. Makes sense. How amazingly freaking beautiful it is today. I don't have a leash today, so I'll be on the inside. Just playing with my camera. But wow, I'm just like blown away at how beautiful the day is. I think a couple of my girlfriends are gonna come out. And yeah, we're just gonna have some fun to end the weekend off with. Cheers! Keep trying to shoot content with no board mount. Tide's going down, so it's feeling a bit shallow over here. Yay! Haven't caught a single wave. Don't know if I will. It's very small, and I think it's gonna get smaller progressively throughout the day. But at least there's a sunset or a rainbow. okay to drop in, so don't come at me. Oh, I'm about to cut this session short. It's too frustrating. So hard for that wave, oh my gosh. Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe. We try. Let's try again. I'm so silly. We're about 45 minutes, maybe an hour into the session. I've caught 2 waves. I'm out of breath because I've paddled for maybe 50 that just aren't breaking. So my girlfriends are also taking too long to get out. I'm ready to go. I'm sorry, but I still love you, ocean. Still love you. And I'm very grateful. Can this be anything? I really have to sign. I have to sign. Okay. That was fun. Even though it was like the smallest I've ever surfed. I've never gone out for a surf and like actually caught nothing. So that was an experience. We'll see how this video turns out. The quality is amazing on this camera. It's truly like stunning. The only issue I have with it is that I'm looking at the flip screen, so my eyes are going a little up. Looks like some waves are coming in now, but we might be calling it. That actually looks kind of fun. Okay, let's try and catch some more. aside from catching seaweed, the water's nice, not chilly for winter, which is crazy because I feel like this winter has been like the warmest winter. The last few winters were like super windy, cold. Like I remember wearing sweats a lot more, and now we've only had like 2 chilly mornings, so I kind of want more chilly mornings. I like miss that. I say that, and then I'm gonna like regret it later. But anyway, yay. Okay, I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. There's our wave in. Here we go. Utmost. Oh my god. I didn't catch that. Oh no, let's keep going. Okay, I hope you guys saw that because that was discussion. Look who decided to show up! Hey, she made it! As I'm coming in. Yeah, keep your expectations pretty low.
So you like that more than last year?
Yeah, I think it's nice. Yeah. Would you look at that? Let's get a selfie here. Oh my god. Yay! It's raining! It's raining!